With the garage door open, it was time to glove up, fill up and face the filth. The temperature may have been high, but so were our spirits, and we weren't going to let a little bit of heat ruin our day. And what better place to start than the dirtiest part of the car, the wheels. We are really going to struggle with this today, Matt. Thankfully, this is a good chemical that's going to dwell for as long as possible, but the heat of these tyres already.
Yeah.
We've only been out here 2 minutes.
In the sun, it's not ideal.
We decided to work on one wheel at a time. Well, that was the plan anyway, because with these spokey alloys, it's never going to be quick. You need skinny brushes to reach the dirt in the hiding gaps, and not forgetting a little bit of patience. For this clean, I'm using Ava Citrus Pre Wash to tackle the lower third, which to be fair wasn't what I would call a serious challenge, and the pre-wash certainly made light work of any algae on the front of the car. The weather was definitely not on our side, so we had to act fast with the snow foam, but then we faced another problem. The main problem that I was seeing was all this pollen that had just embedded its way in over the many years. This is going to be so difficult, Matt. That sun is really intense. So this chemical, I mean, that's been on for about a minute now, and I'm already getting a bit worried that we're going to have to get this off as soon as possible.
Really? And you want that sort of time for it to soak, I assume? Yeah,
so for the snow foam to do its job properly, you need it to dwell for as long as possible, but without drying. So you've got to get that fine balance in the middle, and unfortunately, I mean, you can see on the windscreen, we just haven't got that luxury.